Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Kyc in Binance, full guide. Start by logging into Binance and going to your profile or user center, then tap Identity Verification to begin. Choose personal or business verification based on your needs, enter your legal name exactly as shown on your ID, and proceed step by step through prompts to upload documents and a selfie for facial recognition. To complete document upload smoothly, use a valid passport, driver license, or national ID with a clear photo and readable text. Capture high-resolution images, include all four corners, and avoid glare or shadows that hide details. Double-check that your entered name, date of birth, and ID number match the document exactly, then submit and wait for Binance to process your verification, which usually takes a short time. If verification is delayed or rejected, read the reason carefully and correct any mismatches before resubmitting documents or selfies. Make sure your selfie follows facial recognition rules by removing hats, glasses, and ensuring good lighting and a neutral expression. If automated verification still fails after accurate resubmission, contact Binance support through the app with your reference number and polite details so a human agent can assist and resolve any remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.